Hello guys, good morning. Ayan, isa din po ba kayo sa nakaka-receive ng email galing kay YouTube na ganito na your US tax form expired at the end of 2024. Ayan, mag-resubmit lang po tayo ng US tax. Ayan, mag-login lang po tayo sa Google AdSense. Ayan, punta po tayo doon. Yan, click lang natin yung 3 na line sa gilid and then payments info. Yan, tapos manage settings. Yan, click lang natin yung may bilog. Binilugan ko and then manage tax info. Submit new form. And then scroll up nyo lang para lalabas itong submit a new form and then ganito yung lalabas. Then ilagin lang natin yung ating email account. Yan, ilagay lang natin yung ating password and then next. Ito na yung lalabas. Then, pili natin individual. Yan, tapos no. Tapos, ayan, sundan nyo lang po yung my arrow. And then, ilagay lang po natin yung ating PIN, ID number. Then, country, Philippines. And then, next. Then, number 2 natin is yung address. Ilagay natin yung address. Yan, fill up lang po natin yan. And then, click lang natin yung next. Then, mapupunta na tayo sa number 3, tax treaty. Yan, sundan nyo lang po. Ayan, tapos services, other business income such as AdSense. Ayan, article paragraph. Ayan, withholding rate, tax. Ayan, yan, sundan nyo lang po. Ayan. Tapos, okay na, na-check na yung tax identity, din yung ating address, tax treaty, activities and services performed in US, then tax reporting and check na. Then, scroll down nyo lang po, ayan. Check nyo lang po, go paperless, ayan. Yan ay accept, check nyo lang din. Yung maliit na box. Then, next. Click lang natin next and then click ulit natin icon confirm. Ayan. Tapos next. Click natin next. Ayan. Check ulit natin yung box maliit. Ayan. Tapos box ulit. Ayan. Tapos yes, I am the beneficial owner name. Ayan, tapos ito na. Yan, pag na-click na po natin yung submit, ayan, makaka-receive tayo ng email galing kay YouTube na accepted na yung ating tax, US tax, ayan, information. Ayan, your tax information has been approved.